All right, guys, this is the classwork that goes with lesson 1.1. It's on page 3 in your packet. Apply your understanding of the number line to complete the missing information. This is very similar to what we did in the notes. Okay, so I'm going to call this 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is going to be A, B, C. Each column, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. Now, obviously, some of these, 2B and 4C, you don't need to answer because they're already there. Okay, so this one. Here's the original point. What is that? That's part A. Go. Well, I would say that that is -3 because it looks like it's very close to right in the middle of 0 and -6. So we're going to call it -3. 1B, what is the absolute value of -3? Go. Well, absolute value is the distance it is from 0. You should have said 3. And what is the opposite of -3? Go. Well, you should say 3. Now, this one has absolute value is 7. Okay, so the absolute value is 7. Part A, what would the number be? Go. Well, I'm going to say the number is -7. Okay, because the absolute value of -7 is 7. But you could have said 7 because the absolute value of 7 is also 7. So either one of these would be acceptable. Now, use what I got. A, the number is -7. What is the opposite of -7? Go. There, you should have had 7. All right. This one, here's the dot. What is that number? Go. Well, you should have said -8 because it will be -8, -9, -10. Oh boy. Okay, -8. What is the absolute value of -8? Go. Should have said 8. And what is the opposite of -8? Go. Should have said 8. All right, now this one, they're telling us that the opposite of our number is -12. What will the number be? Go. Well, the number would be 12 because the opposite of -12 is 12. And part B, what is the absolute value of 12? Go. You should have said 12. All right, now we're down in the main part of the assignment. Noah is asked to plot the number, the absolute value of -9 in the number line below. Where should Noah plot his number? Go. Well, he should have plotted it right here. You should have said 9 because the absolute value of -9 is 9. Number 2, which of the following is not true about the number -6.7? Okay, so you're looking for which one is not true. A, the number is negative. B, the opposite of the number is negative. C, the absolute value of the number is positive. And D, the number is 6.7 units away from 0. Which one of these is not true? Go. Well, you should have picked B because A is true. That is a negative number. B, the absolute value of -6.7 is 6.7, and that's positive. And the number is 6.7 units away from 0. That is correct also. This is false. 3, write a real-world example that combines to make 0 in each situation below. So 3 part A, the temperature drops 15 degrees below 0. What is the real-life example that would combine to make that 0? Go. Well, I would say it rises 15 degrees because this is -15 plus 15 is 0. B, Michael has 0 in his account, but makes a purchase and overdrafts his account by $75. So he he took out too much. What would be a real life example? Well, go. He deposits $75 because he's minus 75 here, below 0, plus 75 gives you 0. An elevator rises to the 9th floor. What would the opposite be? Go. Well, it drops to the lobby. 9 plus -9 is 0. Okay, part D. The parking garage is located 4 floors underneath ground level. Go. An example would be you drive up 4 floors, so that would put you back at ground level. So 4 below is -4, plus 4 driving up is 0. All right, guys, now you're going to follow along in your Google Classroom.